the trend actually is still downtrend, but after we made a higher low on the daily time frame, as you can see, the previous low was about this area. Now the new low is about $37,000 on the daily time frame for Bitcoin. After we had a rally to the upside, now we are reaching the previous high we had in January, actually about $44,000 or $44,400 for Bitcoin. Hello everyone, my name is Mark. I'm here with another daily update about Bitcoin. Today I'm going to start with the Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. As I talk about this ABC correction in the past few weeks, actually, according to this ABC correction, I told you the C correction should end at about the $33,000. On the weekly time frame, as you can see, we have got a really important trend line from the top of the 2017. Is coming and working as a really nice support for Bitcoin in the past few weeks and months. As you can see on the chart in here, this trend line in the white color actually worked really important as a support for Bitcoin. And as you can see, the last time we had a 3 months bear correction to the downside in the 24th of January, actually we bottomed out at this trend line we have got in here in white color. According to this chart I have got on the weekly time frame, we have got the yellow zone area about this $31,000 to about $29,000. It was the next important support for Bitcoin. Actually, Bitcoin bounced up from the $33,000. According to the weekly time frame we have got in here, we are still making higher high and higher low on the weekly time frame. As you can see, we have got higher high and we have got the higher low on the weekly time frame, which is really good for bulls at the moment. The thing I'm going to show you, we have got the RSI on the weekly time frame. The trend line got broken. If I change the color of this one, then you can see much better. The trend line on the RSI, we had the important resistance for RSI on the weekly time frame. It got broken. I'm expecting another correction to the downside to about a few percentage. I'm going to show you why on the daily time frame. According to this one, we got broke the resistance for the RSI on the weekly time frame, and now I'm expecting another correction to the downside, and after that Bitcoin make a rally at least to $53,000. As you can see in here on the weekly time frame, the RSI made a lower low actually, but the price of Bitcoin made higher low. According to this 2 weekly candle we have got in here in the green color, the RSI, the bullish divergence on RSI for Bitcoin, I think is confirmed now, and we are going to pass to about $53,000 for Bitcoin in the next few days or weeks. According to the moving averages I have got in here, the EMA 100 on the weekly time frame, I told you for several times, it was working really nice as a support for Bitcoin. And now what do we have in here? The EMA 50 on the weekly time frame in the yellow color actually working as important resistance at the moment for Bitcoin. If we can pass that one, I think we are going to reach to about this area for the EMA 20 on the weekly time frame, but I'm expecting Bitcoin to reach at least to about $51,000 to about $53,000 in the next few days or weeks for Bitcoin. If I change my chart to the daily time frame, I'm going to show you a few things. This movement we have got in here is actually so similar to the movement we had in the past. According to the RSI, if you check the RSI we have got in here is going up so fast. As you can see in here, we had the RSI went up so fast as well. When we bottom out about this area, about the $28,000, $30,000, we went up so fast to about to $50,000 area. As you can see, the RSI went up fast, and after that we had a correction to the downside. Now the RSI is moving so fast to the upside. Maybe we are going to see another attempt from the boost to about $47,000-48,000, or and after that we are going to see another correction to the downside, or not actually, or maybe we are going to see a correction from this area, from the $44,000 area to the downside. I'm going to show you why am I expecting some correction. If bulls wants to control the total market of the Bitcoin, actually we need to make a new higher high on the daily time frame. Actually the trend actually is still downtrend, but after we made a higher low on the daily time frame, as you can see, the previous low was about this area. Now the new low is about $36,000-37,000 on the daily time frame for Bitcoin. After we had a rally to the upside, now we are reaching the previous high we had in January, actually about $44,000 or $44,400 for Bitcoin. Bitcoin needs to break above this area. After Bitcoin actually can break above this area, we are expecting another rally to the upside. According to this trend line I have got in here in white color, I'm expecting another pullback, because I think at this attempt we didn't have enough power. Actually at this attempt we cannot pass the $44,000, and I'm expecting, or maybe it's better if I say we cannot pass the previous high. At the moment I'm expecting another correction to the downside to about this area, about $41,000 or $42,000, because this trend line I have got in here, it worked really nice as a support and resistance in the past for Bitcoin. Maybe we are going to see another correction, a small correction to the downside, and after that Bitcoin make another rally to the upside. I'm still bullish on the short term and mid term for Bitcoin. But if Bitcoin wants to stay bullish and pass actually and make a new all-time high, the really important resistance for Bitcoin at the moment is about $53,000 to $55,000. Bitcoin, if wants to make a new all-time high, actually needs to break the $53,000 to about $54,000-55,000. Really powerful and huge and strongly. And after that, maybe we can say, okay, we are going for the next new all-time high, maybe for around the $100,000 or $200,000 for Bitcoin. That was all from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. If you have found the video helpful, please take a second of your time and press the like button and subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you so much guys, and see you in the next one.